What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're at the range today because we're going to be doing a little bit of shooting, and we also got a very cool unboxing that I'm going to show you guys. But before we get into that, a quick shout out to our sponsors at Kinesium. Are you a gun owner and a parent, or you just simply don't want anybody going through your stuff? Do yourself a favor and get yourself a Kini. A Kini is a motion sensor device that sends real-time notifications straight to your phone. So if anybody's getting through your stuff, you're going to know about it. You can attach to a safe, your firearm, or any other valuables that you don't want anybody getting into. And don't think of this as something that's going to straight up protect your valuables. Think of it as an added layer of security. So if somebody's getting into your shit, you're going to know about it. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a Kini. To get a Kini, go to kinesium.com, order one, and use promo code PNW Tactical for 10% off. And the best part about the Kini is there's no subscriptions. There's no fees, no nothing. All you gotta do is order one, create an account, and then watch their 2-minute how to set up Kini video. All right, y'all, let's get right into the unboxing. So I had sent a Glock 19 Gen 5 over to Texas at EZ Arms Co. And they did a little work for me. So we're gonna open it up. If you follow my Instagram channel, you probably already saw a little sneak peek of it. But for those of you that haven't seen it yet, here it is. So this is the Glock. It's got some custom stippling done on it. It was done by Laser. He did the multicam black camo. Came out really nice. Also, huge shout out to Agency Arms. They sent us the trigger. And then I got the Radian Ramjet afterburner combo on it with the Trigicon RMR. So let's take a few shots with it, see how she runs. Not bad, not bad. I'm still getting used to the red dot. It's the first red dot optic that I've had on a gun, so that's my excuse for missing a few. But let's try some more. Not bad, not bad. I'm really liking this gun. I really love it. Huge shout out again to EZ Arms Co. for hooking this up, and Agency Arms for hooking up the trigger. The trigger feels great. Very smooth. Very smooth. Let's take a couple more shots. Love it. I love it. Also, I forgot to mention, I got an SLR magwell on it. It's very smooth. I like the feel of it. So if you want to pick one of those up too, check out SLR Rifle Works. SLR Rifle Works. Let's take a few more shots. once I go get a mag. First jam. Second jam. I think I'm having mag issues because it was running perfectly fine before I started using these mags. Now I'm missing. I don't know what's up with these mags. They're making me miss my shots, starting to jam. Maybe this mag will run better. Throw that one on the ground. I don't know what's going on with these mags. It's these 10 rounders. These 10 rounders. We gotta get rid of these. We gotta start using standard mags. Washington, change your laws back. We need to go back to standard mags. No more 10 rounders. I wasn't having any of these issues until I started using 10 rounders. Let's load up a standard mag and see how it runs. That ran a lot better. I did have one jam just now. My red dot's shooting way high, way high. There we go. It ran a lot better with some standard mags. Let's try something else. Next up, the PWS Mark 111 223 Wild. It's my AR pistol. I love this gun. I love it. It shoots so great. I wish I had my suppressor though. I was having some issues with it the other day and I had to send it in to get some work done. So hopefully I'll get that back soon, or maybe I might get a new one. Who knows? But let's take a few shots with this. Knocked down the target, but we got another one. Woo! I'm telling you guys, the PWS, it's an awesome gun. It's an awesome gun. Let's load up another mag. Let's do a little bump fire action. All right, we're gonna run this last mag and see how she runs. That was it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're not a part of the Instagram page, go check it out. Go follow that page. I just started it not too long ago, so I'm still gaining some followers. So help me build that up. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.